What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Food Reviewer 2.0. I got a new attitude and I'm ready for a new season of Food Reviewers 2.0. Today I'm going to be reviewing something I got from this place I like to call TJ's, Trader Johnson's, Trader Joe's is what I like to call it. And what we got here is the Giant Peruvian Inca corn. And I've eaten about half the bag. I'm going to try it again. Here we go. Looks like little corn pops. They're really hard and crunchy, and that's what I like about them. Got kind of a greasiness to them, kind of oil. Really salty, really crunchy. Sometimes I like to pop them back and just chomp down. Oh! God damn it! Damn it! Oh, God. Oh. Broke a tooth. Oh, fuck. I definitely buy them. They're delicious. They're corn pops, and they're from the Trader Joe's.